Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to fill up Thailand Digital Arrival Card. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have opened this website, Thailand Digital Arrival Card website on my mobile device. And here they have the option of this arrival card. Okay. So basically this is a digital way of capturing information about incoming passengers so that you can have like quicker response at the counters, and it's going to help you and as well as the officers there. Okay, so first they have asked for family name, first name, passport number, nationality, date of birth, occupation, gender, visa number if applicable, that it's not mandatory, country of residence, city of residence, phone number, and then continue. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you. So now I have filled this form, and anything you put, check it 2 times. So type your last family name, first name, passport number, your nationality, date of birth, occupation, gender, visa if you have. Now you just need, like here in country territory of residence, I typed IND and it showed me options. Then you type your New Delhi phone number. First is the code, okay, for India it's +91, and then your phone number. And once you are ready, go for next. Okay, trip information, I mean you can fill it up for multiple travelers, that's why it's coming like I'll show you how why it's coming as previous traveler later in the stage. Date of arrival, so when you are coming, let's say 25. Country territory where you boarded, let's say you boarded in India. Okay, purpose of travel, let's say I select exhibition, holiday, yeah, very common reason. Mode of travel, air. Mode of transport, commercial flight, most of the people do. Private, how many can. Flight number, do it as per your case. Date of departure, date of departure when you will leaving the country. So let's say you are living on this date. Mode of travel, wow. Mode of transport, flight number, whatever it is. Accommodation, what accommodation you have taken, let's say hotel. Select the province, yeah, Bangkok. I mean if you have booked, you definitely have the information. Provide the address, and then I have filled just the mandatory fields, but you fill all whatever you know. Why? To hide it. Okay, now see, add other travelers. So like if you are traveling in a group, let's say couple, husband, wife, or with kids or friends, then a single application where multiple people can be added, that can be submitted. Okay, so then you can please say the name of country where you stayed within 2 weeks before arrival. Okay, so whatever is on your case. So I just say India, I got this. Okay, now I can add more traveler. Okay, and then I can preview it, all the details that you have entered, and then you need to agree terms and condition and put a name, also email where it can be sent. Okay, and then you're gonna submit. Of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys, and any information you enter, check it at least 2 times, and you can carry it when you reach there. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.